Athens, 427 BCE. In the early morning light splashing over the marble columns of the city, steps a stranger, elegantly draped in the garb of distant Leontini in Sicily. This man is Gorgias, a philosopher and a master of persuasive language, arriving with a mission to seek Athenian aid against the encroaching power of Syracuse. He introduces his philosophical skepticism about the nature of knowledge and truth, presenting a new dimension to Athenian thought. His weapon was persuasion, the lifeblood of Sophism, a tool he wields with the deftness of a master craftsman. His words are like streams of quicksilver, flowing effortlessly, yet always precisely towards his chosen aim. As he speaks, his listeners, entranced by the elegance of his sophistry, challenge their very understanding of reality. Part 1: Gorgias' Arrival, a Meeting with Skepticism. Gorgias wasn't just a sophist, he was a radical skeptic. His philosophy questioned the very foundation of knowledge and truth. He argued that nothing exists. Even if something does exist, it cannot be known. Even if it could be known, it cannot be communicated. In essence, he proposed that objective truth, including moral truth, is unknowable and incommunicable. His listeners found themselves on shaky ground, their former understanding of the world turned on its head. Part 2: The Void of Universal Morality. Skillfully leveraging his skepticism about truth, Gorgias dismissed the notion of a universally recognized moral truth, likening it to a fiction born of our minds, much like the enchanting tales spun by skilled bards. His arguments carried a nihilistic undercurrent, questioning the very fabric of ethics. His claim, both daring and unsettling, suggested that our moral judgments are nothing more than subjective preferences, as variable and whimsical as the wind. Part 3: The Socratic Rebuttal, an Argument for Moral Realism. Naturally, it wasn't all standing ovations for Gorgias. Critics voiced their concern over his seemingly cynical disregard for moral truth. Socrates, for instance, vehemently disagreed with Gorgias' idea of moral relativism. He argued that virtue, and therefore moral truth, was knowable and that true happiness lay in pursuing a virtuous life. Socratic thought championed moral realism, standing in stark contrast to the nihilistic whispers of Gorgias. Part 4: Gorgias' Legacy, From Athens to the Modern Age. As we draw parallels between Gorgias' arrival in Athens and our own introduction to his philosophy, we find his ideas as relevant today as they were back then. His influence extends to modern-day rhetoric, advertising, and even politics, where the art of persuasion often overrides the quest for truth. His exploration of moral nihilism, the fluidity of truth, and the power of persuasion continue to echo in our modern discussions. His skepticism towards knowledge and truth adds an additional layer of complexity to these dialogues. In the light of the setting Athenian sun, Gorgias, the compelling stranger from Leontini, emerges as more than just a philosopher. He becomes a mirror, reflecting our own explorations into the complexities of morality, truth, and persuasion. His skepticism prompts us to question our assumptions about what we can know and communicate. Thank you for taking this insightful excursion with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our podcast, and visit our website, philosophymt.com for more enriching philosophical adventures.